Also, another good one. There's now Apostol. Give it to the side. Ah! The ball. Sayang ang chance ni Gadon. Okay lang daw yan. Second quarter pa lang. There was the sister. Binigay kay Alvarez. 10 seconds shot clock. There is the jump. Binigay kay Hindi pa wala. Pinakawala. Habang may naipan. 10 seconds to shoot. Chance na hambana. Espanyol. Salvador. Guevara. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, way up the Apostol. Racing two-point basket from Apostol of Espanyol Klein. Others. 2. The sister. We have travel evaluation. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Chancellor again of Habana. Habana. Salvador. 14 seconds to shoot. Ay! Namali na pasa sa Salvador. Timao Chucha. Pengkan. 8 minutes, 27 seconds remaining time. 19-17 is the score. Apostol. We have a foul, number 72, Gadores. Holding foul is the nature of your foul, Gadores. That is your first personal foul and also the first team foul, JSC. 40-second shot clock. Apostol, 10 seconds. Still moving on. Same ball. 40.
Takpa lang. Wag din. Kasi takong foul ka pa. Kick mo.
8 seconds to shoot. There it is. 4. Counted. Here is now the sister. Last touch, Habana. 17 seconds shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot. Grabe kung pumunta yan. Four, this is Apostol! Bibigay ka Guevara, Chucha! Pengkan! Dami pa ng fans ng Habana dito. Here is Timao. 14 seconds shot clock. Tiransin. Basket. Black sister number 5. 10 seconds shot clock. Pistol for 3. Salvador. Chance. Ano ba yan? Napapakayo ang lahat. Rizal. Anipan. Mongre. Rizal. Uy. Basket. 25-19. With foul substitution. 6 minutes, 32 seconds remaining time. Guevara first personal foul. And also first team foul of Habana. Habana. Tonight. Alvarez, 14, second shot clock. Timaho. Rebound by Colindon. We have foul for number 16, pushing foul, Colindon. First personal foul, Colindon, and second team fouls. Gregorio will replace Colindon. 6 minutes and 6 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds to shoot. Alvarez, Carlizo. Same ball. Foul number 14, pushing foul. Salvador, second personal foul. And 3 team fouls of Habang. Nugatin nyo kayo. Nakalbo mo na. There is now 8 seconds shot clock. Maestro for 3. Rebound by Gado. Bibigay kay Gregorio. Tira mo na. Eto ang Apostol. Ay! Bang bang. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time, second quarter. Score 27-19. Substitution. Pakita ko ilan dito. Harun. There is now Apostol. Battled by others. We have a offensive foul. One number 7, Benito. First personal foul, Benito, and warning for penalty, Habang. Alders. Oh, there's a line up around. Oh, he's stepping the line. See here. Good boy, I think. A chance. There is now Timaho. 10 seconds shot clock. Gadores. Ay! There is now Gadon. Bibigay ka Apostol. Oh! Same ball. Basister, back to the game. Basister, pakitama ko. 19 seconds to shoot. Ay, nag-alala si Apostol. Alvarez against Warrior. Maestre. Turn around. Ow! Ow! Foul number 9. Espanyol. Penalty. First personal foul by Espanyol. Penalty. 2 free throws. Alvarez. Basket. Last Alvarez. Okay, perfect. 27-21, ano pa rin ang kalamangan ng Habang. Ball position, Habang. Bibigay kay Espanyola. Espanyola, nakapikat but still over. 8 seconds shot clock. Mura! Grabe si... Almost like sa Setelipas. Mura! Hindi ka pa mag-vlog ka. Ang Carlizo, yes, basket. Istorya tower. Basko Limo, Pagdiana. 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time at the store. 40 seconds to shoot. 14. Back to 14. And 10 seconds to shoot. Apostol again. Papasok sa Apostol. Bibigyan ka ba? Abot na number 11, Carlizo. 3 seconds to shoot. Shot clock. 3 seconds to shoot. Konti nga. Ay, dito. Ay, nakapower ka pa. Penalty, second personal foul, dito. Your actual foul is holding foul. Two free throws, Jemboy. Isa pa Jemboy. Calypso. Last. Substitution. Balik na naman sa Balondoan, Salvador at Espanola. Now start. Here is Milky Farm. Colindon. 10 seconds to shoot. Salvador, Pagin sa Salvador. 5 seconds to shoot. Ay, sa rebound. Mapupunta kay Timaho to the sister. There is now Calizo. We got a foul, blocking foul. Number 8. Second personal foul, Gimara. And penalty na naman tayo. Bang, Bassett. Isa pa, Calviso. 25-27. Fight. Wala. Okay. Dalawa ang labang ng mga taga-pagpapanan. 14 seconds shot lang, Palindo. 10, number 3. El Salvador, back to 14. Salvador! Pinigay ito kay Palindo. Basket.
Sorry, Ranjit.
2 minutes and 37 seconds. Alvarez. Real. Islam. Dito kay Salvador. Ay, Salvador. Salvador. Sayang. Here is Alvarez. Bangga. Grabe si Alvarez. 27-39. Dalawa pa rin. Spanyola for 3. Ay! Kaulugan! Ay! Dalawa ni Salvador. There's Maestre! Chucha! Big down. Deadlock of 29 ang score. Napakaganda. Napakasaya. There it is again, Kibara. 40 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Guevara to Salvador. We have a foul from number 12, Timaho. Timaho, that is your first personal foul. Timeout, JST. Remaining time 1 minute and 16 seconds at 39 ang high score. Babalik ko yung likod, pagkalipas lamang na ilang second. 2026, pangkalawang edition. Second quarter, 1 minute and 14 seconds. Remaining time, there is again Guevara. Guevara, 8 seconds to shoot. Bang, 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 bang. 3. 32-29. Only 1 minute is the remaining time. Alvarez, 40 seconds to shoot. He went. There it is again. 5 seconds. Even 7. Colindon. Check foul. Student foul. Number 11, Calizo. Second personal foul, Calizo. And 3 team fouls. Substitution. Gadores in, Calizo out.
Gayo, nice. Wastos di Pachao.
Ay, Salvador. Wow. Isa pa Salvador. Salvador. Well, oh, basket shot. Si Maghibon. John Ross. Palitabot si Alvarez. Time to start now. 18 seconds shot clock. Bigay ng extra for 3. Chuk chuk. Wow. Emphasis coming on. No shot clock. 10 seconds remaining time. Wow. Back to set number 8 seconds. Salvador. Ay! May foul. Number 12. Second personal foul, Team Maho. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws, Salvador. 3 seconds. Remaining time, shot clock is off. Bang, basket. 34-29. 5 lang. 3 seconds lang ha, natitirang oras. Para matapos ang ating second quarter. Ay! And that is the end of our second quarter, 29-34.